What is computer system? It is an electronic device. That means computer system can't be worked without electricity. And everything in the computer system as a command language only. Because computer do not have own brain. So as a coding language only computer understand that. That is why that can be programmed to accept the data. Accept the data from which device? Input device. And input device taking as a input as a data and instruction. Data means whatever you are writing, and instruction, sometimes we want to open the software, close the software, otherwise print the soft copy, that one. So we are giving the instruction as a user. So input device taking data and instruction, and then afterwards this is only to the human language. Why? Because as a user we know only to the human language, but computer do not understand human language. Computer understand only machine language, and this machine language is not understandable by the human. So that is why here we need as a translator. So input device taking data as an input, and then afterwards as an input means which language? Human language. And that one it will convert to the machine language and giving the sending to the processor for process this data. Processor means CPU. And this data after processing it will be sending to the output device. Output device work is receive this data, and then because in this data as a machine language now coming. Machine language. And this machine language is not understandable by the human language. So that is why output device work is receiving this data as a machine language and convert to the human language, and then afterwards it will be displayed. This is the main task of the computer system. Taking data through input device, this data, afterwards it will be processed, and after process generate to the result through the output device. Next point. Computer along with additional hardware and software together is called a computer system. Always remember that only one part we cannot tell that it is a computer system. Why? Because if we have a hardware device means all the machines. For example, four basic main parts of the computer system is keyboard, mouse, monitor, and then CPU. These four main essential parts of the computer system. So whatever part we can touch it, all come to the as a hardware device. Now software. As a user, whenever we are using to the computer system, that means we are using as a software, because without software how we can do it the task, any work, we can't do it. We have a hardware device but we do not have a software, then also we cannot do the work. Because in this software, inside of the software we are working it. For example, I want to type a letter. Whenever I want to type a letter, that times some software I am using. For documentation, MS Word software as given. So that software I want to use it through the help of this hardware device, because I want to open this software. So open this software from which device we will do it? From the mouse. And then afterwards open the software, then afterwards I want to type a letter. Through which device I will be used? Through the keyboard only. Then whatever I typed, it will be displayed by the monitor, and it will be processed the data from the CPU only. So whenever both is combined together, hardware plus software, then we can say that it is a computer system. Otherwise we cannot tell that it is a computer system.